Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need domain admin rights and a safe test OU to avoid broad impact. Once done, confirm target clients run supported Windows builds and are joined to the domain. Make sure they are reachable over the network. Next, back up the existing group policy objects and document current software-related policies and links so you can revert if needed. Now create a new GPO in the Group Policy Management console and scope it immediately to your test OU to start restricting installations. You open the GPO editor and navigate to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates to apply machine-level restrictions. Once there, enable settings such as prohibiting installation of devices and configure software restriction policies or app locker depending on your environment. Make sure to choose the mechanism that matches your OS and needs. For app locker, create executable, MSI, and script rules using publisher, path, and hash conditions. Publisher rules simplify signed app management. Make sure to set default behavior. You now link the GPO to the test OU, force an update with gpupdate/force, and reboot a client if the policy requires it. Then attempt a blocked install to confirm behavior. Once done, use resultant set of policy and event viewer to confirm the policy applied and why an installer was blocked. If things go wrong, check Active Directory replication status, GPO link and security filtering, and rule precedents. Make sure your deny rules aren't overridden by higher priority exceptions. Finally, iterate and roll out gradually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.